In this tutorial, we will see that how you can find Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. So let's dive right in. For the first step, you have to open this Ubisoft app and simply log in with your account. If you don't have an account here, you can simply create one by just clicking on it. After creating an account and logging in, you have to minimize it and simply open Steam. And then from this Steam, you will be on this store. You have to open this library from here. Here you can see all of the games that you have downloaded. Now simply click on the game and right click on that. Here you will get this option of manage. If you hover at that, it will show you this option CD keys. Now it's important to know that not every game is going to have this. So if you have it, right click on this. So in case if you right click on that and you not see any CD keys option here, so that means unfortunately you will not able to find the activation key option for that game. So in case if this appears for you, you can simply click on that and this new window will open here where it will show you this product key. You can simply click on that copy key to clipboard. After copying it to clipboard, then you have to open this Ubisoft Connect where you will be on this home page. On left upper side you will see here this profile picture. Click on that and here you will see option of key activation. Click on that and here you have to paste CD key activation code that you have just copied. After pasting it, you can simply click on that activate button, or in case if you find any problem here, you can simply click on this Ubisoft support where you can chat with Ubisoft support to fix your issue. So that's how you can find Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam in just few easy steps.